You know, guys, they say that good things come to those who wait. But that's not been a strong point in my life. But as we look at the goodness and blessing of God, I'm grateful. So whether you're waiting on a big buck, or you're waiting on the Lord to speak to you to tell you how to disciple people better, if you're waiting on your chance to share the gospel, here on Jesus Saves Outdoors, we just want to remind you that good things come to those who wait. Keep looking for your chance. Keep absolutely hunting down your chance to work with King Jesus on His eternal purpose. To share the gospel, to love your neighbor, to see character and maturity developed in your life. Keep hunting down what God has for you. And whether it takes a few days or if it takes years, success comes to those who are faithful. Success comes to those who seek the Lord early and often. Success comes. The Lord will grant you a chance to obey the Great Commission. Just keep hunting it down, guys. Here on Jesus Saves Outdoors, we just remind you of the goodness of God, the faithfulness of God, and just like this deer, the Lord will grant you a shot at sharing the gospel, loving your neighbor, growing in Him, growing in character. The Lord will grant you your shot. So God bless you guys from Jesus Saves Outdoors. Have a great fall.